Tired of the back-breaking scrub? You need is the Scrub-tastic Power Scrubber. It's the cordless rechargeable power scrubber that uses over 300 scrubs per minute. It does all the scrubbing for you, so you don't have to. Scrub-tastic is rechargeable and easy to store. Plus, with the extension handle, you can handle any job, high or low. They're Scrub-tastic. This December, direct your focus on these four associations with different styles of play. Athletes who are a step away from their dream showcase their skills in the NBA G League Game of the Week. You're taking part. Catch Real Madrid, FC Barcelona, and 16 other Premier ball clubs battle it out in Spain's top professional division. Liga Endesa. Exciting collegiate action will make a splash. We bring you the regular season of the National Capital Region Athletic Association. Let's go. The best brand of basketball continues to make waves with their extraordinary plays in the 2018-2019 NBA regular season. It's an all-out four-piece treat. The NBA G League Game of the Week. Liga Endesa, NCAA, the 2018-2019 regular season. Only here on Basketball TV. The 2018-2019 NBA regular season. The Detroit Pistons versus the Philadelphia 76ers. Live this Tuesday, December 11 at 8 a.m. with a replay at 11:30 p.m. Only here on on BTV. The 2018 Cena Elite League is back. Top-level 3-on-3 basketball teams from around the world will showcase their basketball supremacy on the hard court. Catch it live on Basketball TV. The 2018-2019 NBA regular season. The Phoenix Suns versus the San Antonio Spurs. Delayed telecast this Wednesday, December 12th at 11:30 a.m. With a replay at 11:30 p.m. Only here on BTV. This December, direct your focus on these sport associations with different styles of play. Athletes who are a step away from their dreams showcase their skills in the NBA G League Game of the Week. Endure, take the part. Catch Real Madrid, FC Barcelona, and 16 other premier ball clubs battle it out in Spain's top professional division, Liga Endesa. Exciting collegiate action will make a splash as we bring you the brand new season of the National Capital Region Athletic Association. Let's go, the best brand of basketball continues to make waves with their extraordinary plays in the 2018-2019 NBA regular season. It's an all-out four-piece treat. The NBA G League Game of the Week, Liga Endesa, NCAA. The 2018-2019 NBA regular season. Only here on Basketball TV. The 2018-2019 NBA regular season. The Detroit Pistons versus the Philadelphia 76ers. This Tuesday, December 11th at 8 p.m. with a replay at 11:30 p.m. Only here on BTV.
Ang selalu kayak what?
Hey guys, it's Sarah. Toronto Raptors continue to lead in the Eastern Conference West as the Clippers are the right story of the Wild West. But these two teams
Dia film kayak
wonder if any of the players made it to this edition of BTV's Concept Days. Let's check it out. Four numbers and a sweet ride for Lefty Harden.
That's okay. Hah?
Ben Gordon outsmarted by Kemba Walker. Actually, no layup for Mr. Bailey. Number 5 save goes to Ellie Seville.
The crossover, the drive, left-handed, blocked by the game. Right up by Paul. He's on an island defensively. He is having to
Cleveland and pass. Number 4.
He's tries and flushes. Big defensive big plays. I call it the guard.
Looks like a young Griffin could play number 3. At 2 is Whitney Love.
The new addition, bringing it on home. That's a tough step back. You mentioned it, partner. We've seen this play.
And for the top play assist, he's down to 25,000.
Gets it back to him. 6 assists in the 1987-1988 season while playing for the New York Knicks. Know your basketball. Go pick up the art. Here on ATV.
Bisa mga purman eh.
Parang mga...
Ang galit ko lang nila siya.
The 2018-2019 NBA regular season, the Phoenix Suns versus the San Antonio Spurs. Delayed telecast this Wednesday, December 12th at 11:30 a.m. With a replay at 11:30 p.m. Only here on ETV. The second half is going to continue to be a fun night. Well, the Spurs lead by 18, have the ball to start the second half. Marcus Aldridge this season coming to the other end as in LA. 7 of 9 in the first half, 14 points to Rose on 16, and Mitchell drains a 3 to start the second half. The Jazz, Spurs,
Ngisi yang wak-wak nih. Putih wak.
San Antonio defense 39. I just got to step up the defense there. The shot blocker does a nice job of that floater. Another 3, so Rams back to the Jazz. And they are now 39 points or 36 points that they held to the first half. That's slow defensive effort here in the Spurs as far as close score impact. Previous ones, but I'd like to see that. They're trying this on the same page. Starting to turn around. Go Kansas. There you go. Brent Forbes coming in, averaging 11, 7, 8, 11. And Brent now with 8 points, 4 rebounds tonight. You're there. Good season after Brooks guarded by Jasper's got a save to make it good because it's no one that has the ability to get that high and take that ball away from Gobert. Forbes, Baylor, 6 from Brent Forbes.
Go back.
Just making the right decision.
Ya, mana?
Too much. Mitchell off the mark, rebound again. Spurs by 18, ball again. 10 minutes to go third quarter. Send it to the line for an and one. How smart a play is that? We can just use the screen from LA and Nico can't get there in time to block the shot. On the side, the entire time. Never lets Favors back into play. Getting to the free throw line for the Spurs. Into their largest lead, 63-42, really 82% from the line, averaging 13 a game. He was on scoreless in Salt Lake City, only had 3 shots. He followed that up with a season as 31 against the double figures against LA the other night. Mitchell Gordon also scored in as well as the top. Yeah, they're in a tough time. Tonight, they don't want to see him get going. There's that first 3 ball. It's a nice ball fake, and then a lot of focus and concentration. Get that ball up. It's the kind of, yeah, even though they've got a lot of very talented players, I would say even though those teams will give them one of those unstoppable strengths right now.
Ya, sama semua itu.
So talented, kids at home, they're back to do it. We saw a lot of that last year. Really got to come up with formulate something, come up with a game plan, develop and do something. Donovan Mitchell is not so easy. Scoreless in the first half, 4 to 6, and he had 6 changes here. And he saw fouls off his foot. Mitchell beat the threat, Scott Singles back out to Rubio. And he knocks down another 3. And now Spurs. Good with that one. Yeah, Bill Ingles in the corner. He makes extra pass to Ricky Rubio. You might get chances better when Ricky Rubio starts to heat up. Rubio, 13. Hey, the bucket and Jimmy. We come back. Got three in the hard break. Like to see 3 more goals when we come back.
Sinal Manila, Sinil Local, Camp International, presented by co-presented by Nissan Innovation That Excites.
Miscommunication there because you got to take both guys come from red forwards. Need to really get wide open. From LA is in man one. Foul is on Williams. Third foul on the Bulls. Late 53 going to the third quarter. Donovan Mitchell to the free throw line. Mitchell averaging 20. This is the free throws 81% of the season. Last year, all rookie first year, averaged 20 a game. And more impressive, he averaged 24, 6 boards, and 4 assists in the playoffs. The highest stage, first year, and he stepped his game up. Not been for Ben Simmons, he was runaway with the solid receiver. White's pass blocked and taken away by Gobert. So they're a little bit more honest with how he felt. So got you to the telling that situation. This challenge by Kennedy. Really scrambles after it and brings it up. Average to the close, guarded by Mitchell. Mitchell straight on the deck.
Oh, Joseph.
Back to Mitchell. DeRozan coming back to into the play and foul Mitchell, and he'll get 3 free throws. It's a 15-point game, getting the first one. He scored us in the first half, 8 points here in the third quarter. We've yet to play 4 minutes. Jazz starting to come in. Utah will travel tonight after the game and beat Oklahoma City tomorrow in OKC. In fact, tonight starts 4 or 5 on the road for a team that has already played 16 more games, which is we talked about that workout in Salt Lake City. Yeah, Silver played first. They're halfway done with all of their home games. They are 9-7 on the road, 4-6 at home. We know that will not just go out, so they take advantage of the Quinn Snyder's club last year with 4-34 advancing to the second round of the playoffs. There it is, all the road this season. It's 17 teams playing, that's going to go up. They've won 9 of those 17 games. Bills decide now to home mission. Pitchers lock up right that makes it 52 to the 67. 52 with great recognition by our guys. And by Patty Bills. Since that mismatch knocked back out. And guess what? Another 3-pointer for Mitchell. 13 points. And you know, it's okay if teams explode. As long as our guys explode too. Forbes fast. Got it back. Out to Bill. Patty fires. And the Jazz come down. A lot of 7 games. 6 lead as far as 4 points. Wow.
Good.
Scramble there. Batting round, take the one on the spot. Take it in. That's not big set up. Bills now with it. Yeah. Shot clock violations. Was Utah's 11th turnover. Jazz come in and average. That's good. Just done. 15
Thank you.
Spurs go number 1.
Oh,
Sus! Size! Di mo posible yun. Hindi mo ba? Hindi mo doon housing out.
Spurs turn it over here.
Nag-housing yun, matyaga.
ako'y. Ako'y.
Balibo ka lang sa akin. Tawag ka ba?
Patay yung huli.
Joe, ano na ka, Joe? Lawan ba? Dapat hindi ang kasal, akong palandaan mo. Para usbad ra.
Rosemary. Ikaw po sa boss? Ikaw? O, pag-ilain ka ba? Oh, balik ko ron ah. Eh, murag duha pa man nakabuk na imo. Go! Sa pag naaman. Be? Tira ka? Aw, lumasa ra na. May garilyo ra bitaw. Abi na ako namahaw pa. Ore tira. Asa niya pisto ani man? Dira. Lingkoran ako daan. Ni garilyo man, abi na ako namahaw.
Binahaya ng patay niya. Kasi siya ko na pulisyan mo.
Ang sa Mareto. Para mura siya mushroom na
Simi lang.
semi mushroom dayon. Kortier ni pumunta. Ano murag panipsan na ba? Kortier.
Kaya lupura ba ko na.
Kaya dili ko nila pa kuwag bungot.
Kaya na. Pag-ilok ha.
Dayon. Ay ra na busing ha. Kini res ba? Bayar.
Pag-ilok ha.
Eh testing ni kay ako kasal nga tindiran niya. Kasabot niya tong group nga di ko pa kuwag bungot.
Partner mo.
Selamat Joseph lagi.
So it'll be Utah ball with 11 on the shot clock. Bob, by the way, is 1 win away from tying Matt Riley for fourth all-time wins. Yeah, he had to bring the season 12 now. Taking off the glass is Joey's not fastball, even though he's got that nickname. I'll tell you what, our guys have done a great job scrambling and helping each other out. We're going to have a segment that we can show you some of the help defense when we get back from halftime. But my goodness, these guys are on the same page against each other all season. Nails in the paint. Yeah, and comes right back to Manning. Cephalosha pushes it off to Henry. Yeah, bring it back. Down 83-26 to go back. Hurts himself there. Triple D. Slow coming back into the action. Colorado Buffalo puts it down 44-36. Whitey had 10 points in Salt Lake City on Tuesday.
Tinagpon ko po angan ko sige bet. Gol.
Matay kadua na lagi sulod dito. Katawa ko ingon si mo, kadua na po. Ako pingin sa rin, pingin ka na bito rin.
Inagay na yun ano ayun na score. Lama tiga hindi ako nasikyo sa ganun tiga.
Hindi kay mga kundok kung level respeto kay ari yung veteran.
Saga to.
Kay amigo biya.
Nakakana. Ilo, ko lawasan na.
Hupok sa motor yang ano, yang ikat.
Kaya na sa babaw. Ay, sa babaw.
Motor ka ikat pa sa mga ikaw ko na ikat pa sa hupok. Kailangan mo sa gunaan. Kailangan lang dari.
Mana kay dado Manila na.
Samot na dito.
Nga dito ito na.
Para hupok ko no?
Singkit yun.
Tapakada na.
Lamak yung bubuk.
Ano ko agaw?
Kaya men. Barbers na.
Ay, sa babaw ha. Hindi ka pa sinuhan ng mga bita-bita. Ay, kulit. Ay, pagkada niyo sa kami.
Diyan, tama na ba? Anak ko rin to.
Bubuya na niya sa? Bubuya ka lang ang buya niya?
May bata, padala sa emergency hospital, pero akan sa dalawang ka. Ano yung bulog na? Emergency sa...
Bubuya mo, bubuya mo.
Bahat kaya, ano? Then, nagpakuha ni motor, kaya sige, kadala yung bata sa gulay, itang-itang ang karo kasi, kan, kan, parang kailangan nilong ganti ba? Musukol, tatay lang niya ako sa motor. Wow, nangyari eh. Imo ko bunaran ako sa, magastos ako sa. Kaya magagato ka dito, dito sa bata.
Bata, nagyabaw ang bata ng mga
Pero man, kainjikan Manila rin. Lalo mo sila,
Pero may bakulan, pero wala.
ha?
May bakulanan.
Pero sila, kainjikan Bilaga sila, kahit kapan di ko mag-ayon, bilaga sila dalawang house, bilaga ugol. Matulid sila na magsing, para magkapitan ako. Kaya na si Boy ng kap, sarado na yung mabigyan. Sarado nga, wait, yung tissue. Ang pati. Dagan mo. Muy, sige na ko sa ugol. Hindi ko na nila chisin. Kasi nakakuha sa gamit ng bulan. Makakuha ng bulan niya si Hilde. Siya may kasuman ng tayo.
Kumbarjan.
Ano galing mo gamit sa ito? Yan ako sa malo. Sabi mo, malo, yan ako sa yung malo.
Alit pa binaglayat si Moa? Mahal ka diya?
Sabi na, nada namin sa ugaw. Sa alas ng kore niya. Ayaw, hindi mo. Madala na hindi ako yung mga ika-tikato, ay mata.
Mga bata, may kontra yung mga bata.
Ay, napito sa doon, marap ko. Napito sa kubuyan, lalaki. Ay, ikaw sa balay tayo nga buko kay Jude. Kasi tayo, yan anak na yung bao. Hindi bukan sa bangsa. Yan ang pagkistas ko. May ka ha. Manghanok ka.
Tuk-tuk.
Dito, kasi
Layo rin nato ito mag-bandoy, mag-gym doy.
Ah,
Workout ba? Apat?
Undresses Joe Ingles and Ron puts Gobert, beautiful floater off the glass from the barn of the Spurs. And he's out done back early. The equalizer play of the game. And can that be topped? Stick around. The challenge is coming straight ahead. Spurs by
The 2018 season of the league is back. Top-level 3-on-3 basketball teams from around the world will showcase their basketball supremacy on the hard court. Catch it live here on Basketball TV. The 2018-2019 NBA regular season. The Phoenix Suns versus the San Antonio Spurs. Delayed telecast this Wednesday, December 12th at 11:30 a.m. With a replay at 11:30 p.m. Only here on BTV.
El mundo tiene que ver su hermosura. Con una mirada me voy de aventura. Me tienes enfermo pero tú tienes la cura. Y sin duda